Welcome back. Today's session is going to be 4-44, which is shoot the tiger with the bow. So in our last session, we finished up with 4-43, which was the turn and the lotus kick. So that's where we're going to pick up. And we will have just finished the lotus kick, coming up here and ending up in holding the ball. You'll notice here that my left heel is on this yellow line. And I'm on the ball of my right foot, but it's in line, my right heel is in line with my left heel. So now I'm going to do it all together in one breath. All right, so let's break that down. Let's go ahead and start with the direction we do it in the form, and I'll rotate all the way around. So we've got the ball here. We step out, the hands turn, and the torso turns so that my hands end up in front of my shoulders. You can see they're in front of my shoulders. And then I keep coming around. Then they come up. They're still staying shoulder width apart. And then I rotate back. I'm at 12 o'clock and I'm rotating all the way over to the 9 o'clock position. My shoulders and my chest are at the 9 o'clock position. And then I come back. The right hand is turning. As I bring it back, it flips up here. My right fingers are by my right temple. Notice I don't have my elbow up. The elbow is pointed down towards the earth. Kind of like when you pull a bow. You shouldn't be pulling a bow this way. You should be pulling a bow back this way. So shooting the tiger with the bow, elbows pointed down. The left hand is off my shoulder, here, not above it, even with my shoulder. Should be fairly visible in the camera. Shoot the tiger with the bow. Okay. Now let's do it towards the front. Just gathered up the ball, stepping out, hands come apart. So I'm straightening the left leg, bending the right knee. And here, the hands are not moving. The torso is moving. The torso moves. My arms are still in front of my shoulders. And then I sweep back. And again, my hands are still in front of my shoulders. And right about as you come back, as you pass by the middle of your head, the hand turns over and faces your palm out. And there you go, your right fingertips are by your temple, left hand is off your shoulder. My heels are in alignment on this back green line. All right. Let's rotate to this direction. Gathered up the ball, stepping straight out to the right. Hands are coming up. Mostly it's the left hand on top of the ball that stays there. The right hand is the one that comes up the most. Now they're facing palm to palm. Facing palm to palm. And I've rotated back to the left. And as I come back to the right, that's when the palm turns out, the right palm. And it's by my temple. Left hand's by the shoulder. All right, one more towards the back. Gathering up the ball, stepping straight out. I'm staying on this front yellow line here. Stepping straight out. Notice the shoulder rotation. Okay, so I did it in all 4 directions. Hopefully you could see all the different angles. Now we're going to go over the breath. And I'm actually going to do that facing the way we do it in the form, towards the west or towards 9 o'clock. We're here holding the ball. As usual, when we pull in and gather up the ball, that's the breath in. Breathing in. That's the step out. Breath out. Breathing out here, 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 and the end of the breath is just as you come to shoot the tiger with the bow. All right, so there's a lot of shoulder and hip rotation in here. The footwork is fairly easy. You're just coming from the ball and stepping straight out on the same line and lunging. It's the hands that are a little bit tricky because you're winding around, coming up, and then turning the right palm out for shoot the tiger with the bow. All right, that's a fairly easy one. Just takes a little practice and remembering to use the shoulders and the torso. The next session will be 4-45, which is step, hand under elbow, and intercept. Until next time, have a wonderfully Zen day.